Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to change the default system font in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Changing the default system font in Windows 10 requires a bit of registry editing, since Microsoft doesn't offer a built-in toggle for it. But with the right steps, you can swap out the default Segoe UI font for something more to your taste, like Arial, Tahoma, or even Comic Sans. Pick your font, go to Settings, Personalization, Fonts. Browse and note the exact name of the font you want to use, for example, Arial, Tahoma, Verdana. If your desired font isn't listed, download and install it first. Create a registry script, open Notepad and paste the following code, replacing new font with your chosen font name. Note 1. To ensure more complete font substitution, you can add additional entries to the font section, such as Note 2. If you remove any font line entirely from your .reg script, Windows will retain its default mapping for that font. Note 3. Blanking a font line by using an equal sign and empty double quotation marks disables the corresponding font. Note 4. The line Segoe UI equal new font tells the system that whenever it encounters Segoe UI in an app or interface, it should use your chosen new font instead, provided the substitution is supported and the font is installed on your system. Note 5. For example, you can remove the line Segoe UI symbol, true type, equal double quotation marks from your .reg script if it's causing display issues, or redefine it using its default value, Segoe UI symbol, true type, Segoe sim.ttf and so on. Save the file. Save it as changefont.reg with save as type set to all files. Make sure the extension is .reg. Apply the registry file. Double-click the .reg file and confirm the prompts to merge it into the registry. Restart your PC. Reboot to apply the new font across system interfaces. Restore the default font, Segoe UI, if things look off, or you want to revert. Create another .reg file with the original Segoe UI font mappings. Open Notepad and paste the following code. Finally, apply the registry file, and then restart your PC. Your system font will be back to normal. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.